Hello lovers. Well, I did not film it from beginning, but let me show you how I finished cooking it. So the first thing I did was to check how well the breadfruit, that is the ukwa, was cooked. At this point, the breadfruit is already getting soft. So it was time to add the ingredient that will bring out the flavor. Even though this ukwa, this breadfruit don't need too much garnishing, even if you cook it with just water and your seasoning, it's okay. First, I added crayfish. Crayfish always give Nigerian dishes that rich traditional taste. Next, I added pepper to give the food a bit of spicy. I went in with my salt, stock cube to enhance the overall flavor. And finally, I added palm oil, which also give the ukwa that beautiful color and rich taste. After adding all the ingredients, I stirred everything together very well so that the breadfruit, which is the ukwa, could absorb all the flavors. At this point, the flavor is everywhere. The ukwa flavor is just everywhere in the kitchen. Once everything was mixed properly, I covered the pot again and allowed it to cook for a few more minutes. While it was finishing up, I prepared and washed small portion of my bitter leaf. Then I gently added it together and stir up together. This step add a very nice traditional taste to the dish. You can see how I'm dancing because it's that traditional food that make always wanting to make you remember home. If you watch to this point, please do well to like, comment, follow for more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So let's continue. So after allowing it to cook for a little longer, the ukwa was finally ready. You can see how soft and delicious it's looking. So I had to turn off the heat and then pack it, some of it in a bowl. Also dish some for myself. Ukwa is a very popular meal in the eastern part of Nigeria, and many people love it because it is both nutritious and satisfying. So guys, this is my simple homemade recipe on how to prepare your ukwa. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.